Good morning, campers, and welcome to Cooking with Troy. Today we are going to make my stepdad's famous bagel sandwich. So it's actually pretty easy. I've got the materials and I showed you what you need, but you need a bagel, your choice. My stepdad liked onion bagels. I like everything bagels. My son likes plain bagels, so use whatever bagel you'd like. You'll also need 2 eggs. You'll need some bacon or ham, or if you're a non-meat eater, you don't need to do that. And then you're going to need some cheese, and you can use whatever cheese you wish. Today we're just going to use a slice of Colby cheese. You also need something to put in your pan. I like to use coconut oil, but you can use butter, spray stuff, whatever you would like. You also need a flipper, a pan, and then a cover for the pan. Let's begin. First thing I'll do is I'll turn my stove top to medium heat. That's what I like to put it on. And then I'm gonna get some of the coconut oil and put it in there and let it warm up. All right, while the coconut oil is melting into your pan, that's the perfect time to go ahead and get the eggs ready. All right, so I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and get warm, and then I'm gonna move over to the eggies. All right, what I like to do is I like to get a bowl and crack my eggs into the bowl. You can use the fork that you have. I like to put the shell on a paper towel. Cracking the eggs into the bowl also makes it so that if you had any eggshells in there, you can get them out. Then you're gonna whip those eggs up really good. And remember, we've got our oven going on right now for our stovetop. Once those are nice and beat, I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the pan. All right, while the egg is in the pan, sometimes I like to take my cover and put it on there to expedite or quicken up the process. During this time, I also like to take my bagels and put them in the toaster. I'm not gonna push down the toaster yet. I'll do that a little bit, but I have them ready to go. I also have my bacon already cooked up. I'm using 2 slices and I just cut them in half. And then there is my cheese. Gonna go back to my egg, and it looks like it's about ready to flip. All right. The egg's just about there. It's almost like making an omelet if you've ever made an omelet, but you want to make sure that the egg is cooked through on one side so that you can flip it and not have a whole bunch of runny egg. And I think we're at that process right now. You might need a little bit of parent help with this, but here's where we're going to flip the egg. All right, egg has been flipped. After I flip the egg, I'm going to go ahead and I have a piece of cheese here. You can use shredded cheese as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the cheese inside my egg, and then also I'm gonna put my bacon slices in here. At this point, I'm gonna go over here to the toaster and push down the toaster. After a couple minutes, actually not even that long, after about 30 seconds, I'm now gonna start folding over my egg, kind of like an omelet. So I'm gonna fold over one side and kind of press down. See what that kind of looks like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do that on the other side as well. I flip it, then I press down with the flipper. So it almost looks like I have an omelet going on right here. While I'm waiting for the cheese to melt, I can do a little bit of picking up. All right, I'm actually gonna flip this so I can get that cheese melted all evenly. I'll put away my coconut oil while I'm waiting. All right, the bagel has popped. So I'm gonna go get that bagel. Sometimes you might want to put it down a second time or so. One time is good enough for this toaster. Then I lay it on the plate like so. And then I'm just gonna pick up my egg creation. Make it into a sandwich. Turn off your stovetop. And voila, there you have it. The famous egg sandwich. One last step if you like to do so. Sometimes it's nice to cut the sandwich in half. Enjoy!